Hello everyone. Today in this STEM at home video, I'll make pencil vending machine in front of you. For that, you just need one pencil which is sharp from both the ends. Then you need one battery. You can also try pencil cell if you have. Then you need two wires. So any two wires would do. I have uh, two wires connected with crocodile clips and battery, but you can use normal wires. And then you need one blade as well. Now what you need to do is you have to connect this battery with the battery connector. So in case you don't have battery connector, then simply you can connect it with the help of tape or something. Then one of the terminal is to be connected with this pencil and another terminal is to be connected with this blade. Now what will happen is the charge will transfer from this battery to this pencil because it's a graphite that conducts electricity, and when you get it closer to the blade, it will start welding. See the small spark that's happening when this edge of pencil is getting connected with the edge of the blade. So that's how you can make pencil vending machine at home.